Kaduna police don't arrest 2 friends because of say these friends kill their friend because of say waiting this that they owe this man money. See waiting money they cost for this our country. See waiting money don't lead people into. The police command talk say them receive complaint for this boy papa wey name na Basir. This one happen for Zaria town. Say the papa call say in pikin wey name na Idris Bashiru. Say this boy comot since June 4. Say that they find this boy since that day, they never even see this boy again. Now there the papa can't start to dey panic. You know, now papa as person wey get pikin, you go wonder say where your pikin go. But say as everything be, he no see this pikin and in they suspect in some friend. This one wey name na Manil Suliyu, abi na Saliyu. I mean this one name. Now there after they find. In they suspect this man, but he no go meet the person. But the matter be Naija in con call police, tell police. Now like this thing they happen. I never see my pikin since. And my pikin talk say, in they go this in friend house. And since when he go this in friend house, I never see him again. Now there police con declare, say, okay, that they find this in friend, this manil of a guy, say, make them find him. Make them know wetin won't happen. My people, as they go see this whole matter, where they catch this manil. Now there this man come confess, say, he don't kill. He shock now. He don't kill this Idris of a guy. Why you go kill person on top of person money? Una see as people take wicked. Now you the owe person. Now you stick on the vex on top of the person money. Talk to not be even only him. Kill this their friend though. Say him and one guy where they call Aliyu Yahaya. Then 2 of them carry this boy go, they deceive and carry and go one uncompleted building. Now there they can't kill him. Say as they can't even kill him finish, they can't carry him body. Go drop inside well. Human being. If say this boy never even die, maybe the whole killing, maybe he no die. Now they can't even kill him 2 times. Now this one is supposed to even call double murder. Because you don't kill him first. The killing no reach you, but you know you can't still carry this person, go drop inside well. Maybe now that even well, say that drowning, now even can't kill this boy. Maybe not be even the killing when I kill him, now the water now kill him. Now on top of what, how much on they owe these people? They say 385,000 naira. Now then these 2 men, be na 2 men, be na 1 man. Now they owe them these people. You will go borrow this kind of money. You know say you no get this money to pay back. You can't decide say you want borrow so take this money reach this amount to pay back. Now can't turn to wahala. You can't see and say the only thing where you go fit do now to kill this person. On I see why I know they even like to borrow person money. If I no borrow, you go talk say I stingy. I like him. Make I stingy like that. Because I feel give you now, you go come the think say you want pay me back. You go come the reason I want to kill me. On I see what some people they do abi. Person wey borrow person money, he give this person money with joy. Now for person to come even pay back, the person come the vex. They what? Now your money. Now your money. So person no fit ask you for your money again. People just they heartless and wicked. Every day by day, different kind of wickedness, different kind of bad thing that people just they do. And you will borrow the money. In fact, people when they borrow money now, it don't they risky. Make na even they try and make na give person anybody money. No matter the amount where the person can't meet you, because now you feel even borrow person money they will can't kill you. Don't they over risky. Your life now don't they at risk because of saying you won't give person money. I bet people never even find friend will be say we go can't kill us at the long run. No? Because this one now people talk say na in friend. See person where they call your best friend. Your best friend I can't get plan. Now I still can't kill you. And that's the reason maybe this in friends have no even plan say you want kill this guy. Now this Aliyu of a guy now go give him that mind say go kill this person. So then these 2 fine Hausa men. Now no fit think of better thing. Go work pay this person this money. Una no think am. Now as na go take kill am. In fact in this life no balance. Nothing balance again for this life. Everybody don't dey kolo. Because if person don't sit down and say, I want kill person, it means that the person don't dey mental. Something don't dey enter the person brain to the reason this kind of thing. But as the matter be like this, they say police don't carry this body come out from inside our well. As they won't go do investigation, been an examination on probably I don't know if they won't check there. But you know, so Muslim custom they're supposed to release this body early so that the family will go bury this boy. But they talk say now they don't do all this thing. No? And they don't even really know as these people take kill them. But they don't give the body now to the boy family. May they go bury this Idris of a boy. May his soul rest in peace. See friends on a way I go they carry friends, 30 friends, 20 friends. The day when one of them go shock on her, now there on her body go calm down. Now there I go no say to they carry friends up and down. You no good. Stay on your own, they your lane. All these kind of friends wey be say pepper body na im go dey worry them. Your progress sef, they no dey even want am. Na as you go take dey die, make downfall the full. Na all those kind things they dey think o. This one now make na use am learn lesson. I know say na go even use am learn lesson because this kind thing wey happen, e no dey happen on a regular. So many people e don happen to, but to even they no dey think am sef to say death. How much be this? How much be this money? Na for just leave this person, make this person dey on im own. Any year wey na gather this money, na give the person. No be death be the solution o. My people, na this one now I see I come say make I bring am come una side, make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see una for the next video. This one na drama o. One married woman don go get stuck inside her lover thing. And I understand na as dog, as they do that thing, not that they take lock now. So this one happen. They talk say this man and the woman, two of them don't go lock together. They say this one happen for Uganda, Gulu City. Eyewitness wey dey the place where him name na Pai Robins Ogwen Akiki. Now what for this kind name? They talk say this man dey there. I don't know, I think they be na be the videographer. Where they do this, I don't understand. But I be like say in there around the thing when this thing happen. I talk say these two lovers they engage in, you know now, that sexual intercourse, that's what they do. Now what two of them they do, but they do and finish. They come to say, may they come out, this thing no agree come out again. No? And there two of them don't they join together like sellotape. They no agree move, they no agree come out again. No? Now they come to say, may they even try. Maybe the position where they did, the position no balance well. May they change position, come out this thing. They try everything. This thing no agree come out. Now there they come think no way where they go fit do this thing until they call out to people. Make people can't help them when they come start to they shout. And as they shout, now their neighbors come outside, police people say come outside and say, okay, what thing they really happen? Now there they come say, then these two people, they don't join together, they don't lock together. Based on say, it like say this woman don't go cheat on her husband because this woman a married woman. And for their side, it like say this man don't go do one kind juju. This one na magun. People will know this kind thing. Now magun that they call him. This man don't do this magun on top of this lady, this his wife. Now there, this woman, she can't go cheat. Now I make this and don't come catch her. As they try everything possible, as police people come, they try their own. It's no gree work. Now there, the woman husband can't come outside. As him come outside, catch them. He don't know say yes, this woman don't cheat. Now there, they say as this man touch the two of them waist. Now there, two of them come really see juju. This one a serious juju, big overrated juju. Now this one. That means this man no do this thing. Even though they suspect say this in wife. Don't they cheat? Now they can do this thing. But the matter be they talk say these two people don't dey inside police custody. They don't arrest them. I don't say they don't arrest people now for cheating. No, bless for Uganda. If you cheat, now big offense for their own side because them go arrest you. But this kind of man, why you know say your wife they cheat? Why you know just leave this woman for God's sake? Because wetin be the stress? Because as you don't come catch this woman now, you won't still come go back to her. No, but say you just won't come shame her. Now be the essence, abi. But I wish that this man go and this juju that they do oppositely. Make woman self do for man. So that if man go cheat, them say they go catch him. Because this kind of thing, now only woman and now for only Africa self now the same. And some people self come and talk say, this is not even anything serious. Say it happen from once in a while. Say now sickness, they call them penis captives. Say it happen for human being. I never hear this one happen which unless say now juju now for this thing happen for. I never hear and say man and woman they do this thing, they go come tie together. If no be juju, now person I ain't talk and say this thing now sickness, but I'm not sure say these people own now sickness. So these people own now because of say the man don't they hold this. In fact, don't they time this in wife saying the day I go catch this woman, her own go bust. So he don't already plan this woman that I make up. He don't do this thing. This one either they call trap, don't catch hunter. I be this kind of English now I go use for this kind of thing because the man don't set this trap and this trap catch this woman. Women, we don't even get shame, including men, because I know say not be all men they cheat. So even if we do, better say they want to do this trap now for men, it may not even catch some people because they know they cheat. But women, our body, it go they sweet us, pepper body. We go they carry them from one place, they go up and down. What will they find? This thing where will they find? Say if you can't do and finish now, can't get belly. Now you go see the complaint say you get belly. Now if they catch you, now what thing that they find at all? You will be married woman, you don't marry, you dey husband house. You know say you no go fit stay inside this marriage because of say this man other thing they sweet you past your husband own. Why you no leave your husband go meet this person? Now, wow, ladies, later they cause women say women they be dog, people go they vex. But because of what women they do, as we they take behave. You know, so all this kind of thing where they happen, men they always they justify say, then they be man, they fit do am. They always claim say, they be man, they fit marry more than one wife, two wife. But at least you will be woman, respect yourself. Respect this your body. Say, okay, you won't stay for one place. If you know say no fit stay one place, why you come marry in the first place? And so many married women they do this thing. Now just God never even catch them. They go their husband house, but their eyes go still there for their neighbor husband. Maybe the husband own, the husband fine, be in thing, gather pass their own husband own. They go they look all this kind of thing. They jealous. And these things have what happen. The man, if you don't trust your wife, what make you marry him in the first place? All this kind of jealousy husband. All this kind of husband and they kill wife. Oh. You go here say husband don't carry something choking. Now all this kind of men. You don't trust your wife. He say you trust her, fine. This one said, we don't know. She said, she not even they trustworthy. But if say you even trust your wife, believe her, ask her questions. Say, okay, madam, will you they cheat on me? If she feel answer, okay, no. As you even catch him, you don't even need to do all this magoon drama. You don't need to do follow and talk, okay, as make everybody find square root. If your own are divided by 2, go your way. Make me say, go my way, make everybody go. If you want to follow this man, follow him. No wahala. This one now we can't disgrace this woman. But if I say for Uganda, this kind of whole matter, they carry him for head. If you go cheat, they go carry you go police station. Because me, I know say so many people they cheat, they never even arrest themselves for one day. For this one, they don't carry 2 of them go police station. It means that their own side, this law strong. So for people where they do all this kind of thing, they do they go catch on on our God. You know we prepare our own thunder. They will catch on. In fact, we say go come as I can't talk them. Make ladies they careful. The things when I go they do because of these things where they under. I don't know where they scratch us, I be they sweet us, I know they understand. Where we say we no go feature sit down for one place. Sit down for our husband house in peace. Enjoy your marriage. If you know they enjoy them, leave a marriage not be by force. Marriage not be for everybody. You were innocent in a shower business when they do. Go they do them. No talk say you won't come marry, go come marry finish. You come they give your husband heart attack. They give your wife heart attack. I better go. This kind of thing it don't they happen. No, but today they happen now for only African homes. Now for African and this thing they mostly happen. It means say men no they even trust their wives again. For them to come leave wife say my wife they loyal, they no trust you again. Now make man go decide say one wake up, go set man go keep for you down. Women make na they careful. People when they indulge in this act, make na stop them before one day on a gari go call overrise. Oh, I don't they talk am at the warning and now make na they careful. Men self if you no trust your woman, leave her, make everything go. All this kind of drama when I bring her come, you never even dey what am at all. Now this kind of thing, I see. I want to make her bring her, making herself using her ear. Hear what happen for Uganda. Oh. Anything when I feel, making her not forget to write them for the comment section. Making her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this.